Okay, you guys, it is that time of year again. Every time I do these Fab Fit Fun unboxings, I truly just feel like it's just a little check-in on how fast the year is going and just like a little check-in on my life. How is it fall? How am I unboxing a fall box? Wait, this isn't even a fall box. This is the winter box. How am I unboxing the winter box? Where did this year go? What even happened? I feel like this year is just like my Roman Empire. I'm just like, what is happening? I don't know. But I always have so much fun doing these unboxings. And this time, typically I cannot wait and I do the unboxing before I come on camera just because like I want to see what I got. But this time, wait, are my hands orange? Oh, you guys, I put self-tanner on last night and I think I'm orange. Sorry, sidetracked. I did not open my box this time, so this is going to be my genuine reaction to everything I got. I forgot what I picked, and I love when that happens, so then it's kind of like, oh my gosh, like a little present to myself. I mean, it is a present to myself, but I just don't know what it is, so it's extra exciting. I have a code for you guys. I just gotta see what it is. I don't believe they sent me my code yet. However, it will be right here. This will be the code. You can use it on your first box and it gets you a great discount for your first FabFitFun box. And I highly, highly, highly recommend FabFitFun for every season. I always saw this growing up and I was like, I really want one of those. I think my mom got them growing up, but I'm just so excited that I have this to look forward to every season. And thank you to FabFitFun for sending me this every season. So I think we should just get into the unboxing. So the box itself is just so cute. It's this really pretty green color. I feel like green really had its moment this year. So this is the winter box. So nice, it almost feels naughty. Love that. A little ASMR. So excited, you guys. Winter 2023, how did we get here? And then it has all of the brands of the products on the box. Cozy time. Yes, it is. It's cozy time by myself because I'm single this holiday season, but whatever. Okay, well, we'll just start off with this because I know I love this brand already. So starting off, we have the Olaplex No. 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. I wish I had this the other night because I was doing a full everything shower and I really wanted a hair mask. And I did not have one that I could use. So this would have been great. I wonder if you leave this on in the shower, okay, so this isn't something you leave on in the shower and then you rinse off. You put it on after the shower, leave it in your hair, and then you style your hair after. I love Olaplex. I've used Olaplex products before and I always love the results, so I'm sure I'm going to love this. I can add a little update in the description after I actually try this on my hair. Okay, next up is from 111 Skin. This is the Celestial Black Diamond Brightening Essence. Okay, what is this? Designed to help your skin appear brighter. Is this a face mask? Oh, so this isn't, I thought this was like an exfoliator. It's not. After you cleanse your skin, you put 5 to 7 drops into your hand, like that, and then you just like pat it into your face. So it's supposed to help like brighten your skin, fade pigmentation, and just brighten your skin tones. As far as pigmentation what's the word? Pigmentation irregularities. That's a mouthful, but I feel like I have a lot of that under my eyes. I get like a bunch of dots and stuff, and I have a bunch of like darker spots here, so I'm excited to see if this will kind of help keep that under control. I know I absolutely love this product. So this is the Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. I use this in my everyday routine, or at least every night I put this along my lash line. I've been using this for probably like a year and a half, 2 years now. I will constantly repurchase this. It is so incredible. You can see my lashes are so long. These are my natural lashes. These are not fake. I've been using this lash serum and I saw the most insane amount of growth I've literally ever seen from using a lash product. Within like probably 2 weeks, I noticed results. And then the more and more you keep using it, it makes them grow so much longer and thicker. And I've had friends asking me, what's your secret to your long lashes? Like, this is so crazy because I used to have really short, kind of like super straight lashes, and I'm like, you need to try this stuff. It is a bit pricey, but because it comes in this box, The box essentially is the price of one of these themselves. I believe on their own, this is like $60, and this box is less than $60. So honestly, if you've been wanting to try this, I highly suggest you just get obviously the entire box because you get so many goodies in it. It's such a bang for your buck, but this stuff I will hype up till the day I die. This has made me so much more confident. I know it's weird to be like, oh, longer lashes give me confidence, but I truly feel so much better having longer lashes. So this is my holy grail. I will use this for the rest of my life. Okay, I've seen this brand before. I don't know if it's the Faded brand, but these are, ooh, brightening and clearing eye masks. I love putting eye masks on. I feel like it's just such a fun part of your skincare routine, or if you're having a self-care night, if you put on some eye patches, or in the morning. The morning is always great because I feel like your eyes are just a little bit puffier than normal. If I wake up and I'm wanting to have a slower morning, really take care of myself, I'll cleanse my entire face, and then I'll put some eye masks on while I drink my coffee, or just like have your drink of choice, put on your favorite show, and I'm definitely going to be doing that with these. This says it brightens, hydrates into puffs, which is amazing, and you leave them on for 15 minutes, and I feel like I just like the aesthetic of this company. I've seen this before, and I think it's really cute. Oh my gosh, and there's more than one. This is amazing. Okay, so there's 2, 3, 4. There's 5 different eye masks in here. So I am so excited to try this. I'm probably gonna do this tomorrow morning because I'm planning to go have a girls' night out, and Lord knows I'm going to have bags under my eyes in the morning. So I'm really excited that I have these now. Oh man, I could have just used these getting ready. So this is from Insert Name here. I have a few products of theirs, and I really, really love the company. But these are hair clips. So whenever you are getting ready, you can pin your hair back. I'll show you guys how to put them in. I feel like I first saw these hair clips on the Kardashians whenever they were getting their glam done. And then I think I bought some off of like a random website, and I've used them ever since just to keep my makeup out of my face, but they are a bit smaller, and I've been looking for a bigger pair like these, and I just like the design of these. It has this really pretty gold hardware. So these are like a creamier white color, and all you do is push your hair back like this. So whenever you're doing your makeup, it's out of your face. And I wish these were just like a trend to wear them out, because I actually just like really like how these clips look. Should I leave them on for the rest of the video? Maybe I will. Okay, let me make them look cute. Okay, I'm gonna leave these in for the rest of the video because I think they're super cute. But this pack comes with these creamier white color ones and these purple, it's like a marble type of design on it. So I'm so excited to use these, and like just look how cute they are. So this, oh my gosh, I got a candle set. I forgot I picked this out. Okay, a candle for all those days when life goes sideways. I got a lot of those days. So we have this candle set. Let's sniff them and see how they smell. So there are 3 candles in this, and then there's this thing which is empty. What goes in here? 3 candles, 1 ceramic vessel. So I think this is kind of just to be used as you'd like. You could keep this next to your bathroom sink and put your jewelry in it, like if you have a ring, whenever you're washing your hands so it doesn't fall in. But this is just like a little cute ceramic vase. And then we have these candles. Are they all the same scent? Ooh. I think they are. Yes, I think all of these are the same scent. It kind of just smells like essential oils. Does it say the actual scent? I don't think it actually... Oh, wait. Do these smell different? I think these all smell the same, but I think they all have different names. It says variety pack, and then there's middle seat, lucky hit, drunk text. I think they all smell the same, but maybe they do smell different and I'm just weird and I don't realize it. And that is it for the winter Fab Fit Fun unboxing. I had so much fun unboxing this on camera with you guys. There's so many good things that you can pick in this month's box, so suggest you get on that so none of the products sell out and you can get everything that you want. Again, I do have a code that you can use to get your first box at a discount. The code's here. on the screen. I just don't know what it is currently, but it's gonna be right here. Definitely treat yourself this winter season. If it's your first box, might as well try it out. You seriously get such a bang for your buck. It's actually insane. Like, I buy this stuff. This is like $60. And I know for a fact this box is less than $60, so slay. Oh my gosh, it's my last box of the season. It's like low-key kind of sad. I feel like I'm closing out the year. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can see all of the fun videos that I post. As always, thank you so much for your support. You watching this video means the absolute world to me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.